Let's toast to life. You've always been by my side through every moment, through laughter and tears. We've grown. Today my journey becomes our journey. Everyone, thank you for being here today. Feels so amazing. Everyone, please enjoy it too. Everyone, thank you for supporting me until today. Filled with happiness, I've been looking forward to seeing everyone. Let's toast to family. Let's toast to friends. Spending